Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but essential skill for every WordPress user, how to find and use the paragraph block in WordPress 2025. Whether you're writing a blog post, building a page, or just getting started, mastering this block is key to creating great content. Let's dive in. Access WordPress first. Open your browser and go to wordpress.com. You'll see the login button in the upper right corner. Click that to start. Log in securely. For a quick and secure login, choose Continue with Google. Make sure to select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. This step is fast and keeps everything safe. Navigate to the editor. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the Quick Links panel on the right-hand side. Click Edit Site. This will take you straight into the WordPress site editor, where you can start building your pages. Add the paragraph block in the top left corner of the editor. You'll see an Add button. Click it. A block menu will appear. Here's a pro tip. Use the search bar in this menu and type paragraph. Insert and customize. Once the paragraph block appears in the results, click it to add it to your page. Now you can start typing your content, format it, and make it look exactly how you want. This block is the foundation for almost all text on your site, so it's worth mastering. The paragraph block is essential for structuring all your written content. Using the search bar in the block menu is the fastest way to find what you need. Accessing the editor via the quick links greater than edit site route saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can find and use the paragraph block in WordPress 2025, making your content creation faster and easier. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.